The MSM routine. It's important we take some time to understand what is MSM. You may have come across this before, but let's talk about it in some detail since we have to apply the MSM routine for pretty much everything we do on the road. MSM stands for Mirrors, Signal, Maneuver. In short, before changing speed or direction, we need to apply the MSM routine. As you progress through the videos, you'll see exactly how we apply the MSM routines in different situations. Let's look at each letter of the MSM routine, starting with the letter M. M stands for mirrors. Before changing speed, so that could be increasing or decreasing your speed, or changing direction, we need to check our mirrors. Our main mirror is the rear view mirror, and if you're changing direction, you need to check the respective mirror. For example, if we're pulling up to the side of the road, we'll check the center and left door mirror. If we're turning right or overtaking a parked car, we'll check the center and right door mirror. So you get the idea. Most importantly, we need to recognize early on that we may need to change speed or direction, giving yourself plenty of time to apply the MSM routine. So taking the example of overtaking a parked car, let's assume there's no oncoming traffic, so it's safe for us to borrow their space. We'll check the center, right door mirror before changing your position and steering around the parked car. To really simplify this, your normal road position is the center of our lane. Looking ahead, if there's any disruption or for any reason you need to move away from your safety position, check the mirrors before you need to steer. You still with me? Let's move on to the letter S. S stands for signal. You must check your mirrors before you signal. A signal is not always necessary. For example, you wouldn't normally signal to overtake parked cars. Now, if you're turning left, we'll check the center left door mirror, then signal left to let other road users know what we're intending to do. And only then we'll start to slow down, steer, and whatever else is required to complete the left turn. So remember, if you're slowing down or changing direction for the purpose of the left turn, you must have mirrors signaled first. Again, as you go through the videos, you'll see how we've applied the MSM routine in different situations. M stands for maneuver. Let's say we're turning left and we start slowing down without signaling. We may confuse other road users as to what we're doing. For example, following traffic wouldn't understand why we're slowing down when the road ahead is clear. If we apply the MSM routine correctly, checking our mirrors, signaling, and then maneuvering, other road users can respond to our signal. For example, a pedestrian may decide not to cross. A car from the side of the road may choose to pull out. The following driver may start to reduce their speed to give us plenty of space to complete the turn. So get it right. Check your mirrors, signal if necessary, then maneuver.